In this ukulele video, I'm going to give you another tip on how to practice. This one you've heard before. You're not going to like it. This one is metronome. So this is a cool little mini series that I'm doing on how to practice. I'm just going to give you one tip, one simple thing to do that you can apply to your playing to get better. But anyway, welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. If you're new to the channel or haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification. That way you're going to stay up to date. You're going to hear about all of these lessons, tutorials, reviews, tips that we do for the ukulele, guitarlele, and the baritone. And if you're over at Instagram, check me out at ukelikethepros. So this is just a little series that I'm doing based off some emails I've got from some of my ukelikethepros.com customers, some of my premium members that want to know, how do I get better? How to like tear it up and rip it up. And I'm just going to break it down for you right here. So anyway, one thing here is watching this video, following the tips I give you. Another step is checking out ukelikethepros.com, checking out the courses that I have available for you, or just join the premium membership. That's really the way to go. Become part of the worldwide community that we've built at ukelikethepros. All right, this one, like I said, you've heard this. People have said it. It's not like this is groundbreaking. Metronome. You got to practice with a metronome. Those could be backing tracks as well. But the metronome is cool because it really makes you focus on that beat, on that timing. And if you can play with the metronome, you know you got solid timing. So when you do the backing track or when you start playing with others, that makes it real simple. Now, metronome can be in many forms. You can just grab an app. You can have a physical one. Doesn't matter, but you got to practice. Check this out. A 1, 2, 3. All right, so there you go. Just messing around a little bit with the blues, but get that metronome. Practice, whether you're doing your songs, whether you're doing some scales. Trust me. This one thing alone will help you tremendously with your playing, your rhythm, your confidence, and your enjoyment when you're playing with others. So anyway, thanks for being here. Again, if you're ready to become part of the worldwide community that we have at ukelikethepros, check that out. I'll put a link below, ukelikethepros.com. Check out the premium membership. Trust me, that's the way to go. So I appreciate you being here, and we'll see you next time.